Welcome to Midland Public Library's Junior Engineers, a program where kids like you tackle epic open-ended engineering design challenges every week. My name's Jennifer Whip, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. Each week, you'll follow along with me to complete 4 challenges on Beanstack to earn a new Engineering Challenge badge. First, you'll watch the weekly video. Second, you'll use the engineering design process to tackle the Engineering Design Challenge. Third, you'll post a photo of your creation to the Junior Engineers Photo Padlet. And fourth, you'll answer a reflection question. Are you ready to get started? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Let's go. This week's Engineering Design Challenge is to build a structure that can hold a full cup of water off the ground. Kids who have tackled this challenge before came up with solutions that looked like this, and even this. By completing this challenge, you'll earn the Bucket Towers Challenge badge. How cool is that? In your weekly Take and Make kit, you have all of the materials you need to complete this week's challenge. Let's take a look inside. This week, you got the challenge instructions, complete with the engineering design process, 15 straws in varying sizes and colors, a yard of string, a roll of mini tape, and 1 cup. To complete this challenge, you're also going to need some scissors and, of course, water to fill your cup. Let's start out by taking a closer look at the engineering design process, which you can find in your instruction booklet. So, what is the engineering design process? The engineering design process is just a fancy way of saying all of the steps that you need to go through to take on an engineering challenge. In your booklet, you'll see that the engineering design process has 5 steps.
The 5 steps of the engineering design process are ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Let's use these 5 steps to tackle the Bucket Towers Challenge.
Step number 1, ask and define. During the ask and define stage, you're going to answer the question, what is the challenge asking you to do? What are you trying to solve? Write your answer below. Step number 2, imagine and brainstorm. During the imagine and brainstorm stage, you're going to come up with ideas to solve the challenge. What will your creation actually look like? You can draw ideas or write them below. Step number 3, plan. Next, we're going to make a plan for our structure, a plan for our creation. So here, you can draw a blueprint or a picture, anything you'd like. Don't forget to add labels. I think my structure will look like this. Next, I'm going to list all of the materials that I'm going to use for this project. It's time for this week's quick tip. During the planning stage of the engineering design process, I want you to really think about how you're going to lift your cup off the ground. Will you hang it using the string? Will you build a platform? What other solutions are out there? Take a minute to think about that while you're planning. Step number 4, create and test. Now it's time to actually build the structure and test it to see if it works. Does it hold that cup of water off the ground? I'm going to try and base my structure off of my plan, but things Things don't always go according to plan, and that's okay. If I have to change my structure a little bit, or it doesn't look exactly like my drawing, that's fine. I'm flexible and I'm adapting. Let's get building. Voila! I've created a structure that holds an entire cup off the ground. Now is a good time to take a picture of my structure so I can upload it to the Junior Engineers Photo Padlet. Now for the fun part. I'm going to test it out. To test my bucket tower, I'm going to put water into my cup. Then I'm going to count for 60 seconds. If the cup stays lifted off the ground, then I was successful. Let's try. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60! I did it! Step number 5, reflect and improve. Now that I've built my structure and tested it out, I'm gonna make a list of everything that went right and everything that went wrong so that I can help improve my structure the next time. Then I'll answer the question, how could you improve your creation? And I'll submit my answer on Beanstack. Now that I've gone through all of the steps, from asking and defining to reflecting and improving, it's time for the most important part, cleaning up. Good engineers clean up after themselves. We made the mess, it's our responsibility to tidy up after ourselves. Let's go. Great work, everyone. We just completed the Bucket Towers Challenge. We did everything in the engineering design process and we cleaned up after ourselves. Give yourself a pat on the back. We just got the Bucket Towers badge. A new challenge will be posted on Beanstack next Wednesday at 4 p.m. and you can pick up your Take and Make kit for that challenge starting now. Come on into the library and grab your Take and Make. Thanks so much for joining me, Junior Engineers. I really look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, bye for now.